Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to answer the question, can you transfer money from Cash App to Venmo? If you have been wondering this, well, this video is definitely for you. Transferring money directly from Cash App to Venmo is not possible because there is no direct integration between both apps. They are separate payment services that don't allow direct transfers between them. But we have a workaround. You can simply transfer to your bank account if you use your linked bank account and add the funds to Venmo. Now, once the funds are in your bank account, you just simply add them to Venmo. Here are the steps. Transfer from your Cash App to bank account. Initiate the transfer in Cash App to your linked bank account and wait for the funds to arrive. Once you see the funds, log into your Venmo account. Navigate to Add Money section and link your bank account. If not already linked, they add the funds from your bank account to Venmo. Venmo is as simple as that. Don't forget to consider the transfer fee, which is a potential fee from Cash App or Venmo. Also, the processing time may differ depending on the platforms and your bank. If you need to move funds between Cash App and Venmo using your bank account as an intermediary is a viable workaround. Hope you found the video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.